All right, welcome. Today we're jumping right into something I know a lot of you are looking for. How in the world do you get a real working $100 coupon for Temu? Let's just get straight to it and break it all down.
So if you're here, I'm guessing you've been on the hunt. You know exactly what it's like, right? You're clicking through all these websites, seeing all these promises, but all you find are expired codes and, just fake links. It is so frustrating and feels like a complete waste of time.
Well, you can stop searching because you are absolutely in the right place. We're going to walk through the exact method that's working right now. And maybe more importantly, we'll get into how these Temu offers are actually structured, because once you get that, you can make them work for you every time.
Okay, let's dive into the solution. No more waiting. Let's talk about what this coupon is and how to get it.
Okay, there it is. The working code is right here on the screen. But wait, before you just copy and run, it is so crucial to understand what this actually unlocks. See, it's not a flat $100 off a single item. Temu's famous $100 coupon bundle is really a whole collection of smaller coupons, like $15 off a $100 purchase. This code is your master key to activate that entire bundle. So, to make sure you get the whole thing, you got to use that special promotional link. It's the very first one in the description below. Clicking that takes you to the official page where the offer is live. It's just how Temu tracks their campaigns and makes sure real users are coming from the right places.
So how do you actually claim it? The process is a little bit different depending on if you're a new user or if you already have the app. Let's start with new users, because that's where Temu puts most of their energy.
First things first, just grab your phone and scan the QR code right on the screen. That's going to zip you right over to the official Temu download page in your phone's app store. Go ahead and install it, and then, you guessed it, just open it up. And boom, that's it. Because you used that special link to install the app, the whole $100 coupon bundle gets tied to your new account automatically. You'll see all those discounts sitting there in your coupons and offers section, just ready to go when you check out.
But hey, what if you've already got the Temu app on your phone? Don't worry, you are not being left out. This next part is for you, the existing users.
Your process is just as simple, but a little different. You're going to take that code we showed you earlier and just type it directly into the main search bar inside the Temu app. Yeah, for real, right where you'd normally search for a product. Hit search, and that's the trigger. The offer will get claimed on your account just like that.
All right, so you've got the discount. Now for the fun part, thinking about what you're actually going to get on your next Temu haul. Now, the best part about this bundle is how flexible it is. Some promos only work on one specific thing, but these coupons can be used pretty much across the board. So whether you're looking for clothes, cool electronics, or some unique stuff for your home, you can probably use one of these coupons depending on how much is in your cart.
The biggest reason this method actually works, compared to just randomly searching for codes, is that it's a direct promotional link that's always being updated. This is how you avoid that super annoying moment when you finally find a code, try to use it, and find out it expired last week.
And honestly, these discounts are pretty much always active. Why? Because they're the engine for Temu's whole business model, getting new users and fast. By offering these bundles, they get people to download the app and make that first purchase, so it's less of a temporary sale and more of a constant strategy for them to grow. So let's wrap this up. The path is super clear. It's not about just finding some random code. It's about using the promotional system Temu has actually built. Use the official link, activate the whole bundle, and then you can start planning how to get the biggest savings on your next order. And that really brings us to the final question. With these crazy prices and now a discount on top, what's the most surprisingly good or maybe just the weirdest thing you can find? Once you use the code, come back and drop a comment. Let us all know what you scored. Happy hunting!